Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you quickly how to calculate molar mass of compounds. So let's say, for example, you're asked to calculate the molar mass of CaNO32. The first thing you want to do is write out all the elements you can see in that compound and how many they are. When you have a bracket or parenthesis, the numbers outside affect every element inside the parentheses. Okay, so you're going to have 2 nitrogen, and then this oxygen that is originally 3 is going to multiply the 2, so that becomes 6. Now multiply calcium by the atomic mass of calcium in the periodic table, which is 40.08. Nitrogen is 14.01 and oxygen is 16. Now, when you multiply 40.08 by 1, it gives us exactly the same thing. This is going to give me 28.02, and then 16 times 6 is going to give me 96. Now, add all these up. It gives me 164.1 grams per mole. So this will be the molar mass of this compound. So another example is Ba3PO42. Okay. Again, write out all the elements. You have 3 Ba, barium. Now these 2 affect each of these elements inside the parentheses. So you're going to have, originally you had 1 phosphorus or P, multiply that by 2, the 2 that is outside. Okay, so that makes this 2. Oxygen, you originally have 4, multiply that by 2, that makes it 8 oxygen. Now, go ahead and multiply each of these values by their individual mass in the periodic table. So barium has a mass of 137.3 grams per mole. And phosphorus has 30.97, and oxygen is 16. Now, if we multiply each one of those, you have 3 times 137.3, that's going to give me a 411.9. And then you have 30.97 times 2, which is going to be 61.94. The last one, 8 times 16, is going to give me 128. Now we're going to add everything up. So if we add 411.9 plus 61.94 plus 128, you have 601.84 grams per mole. So this is how you can go about calculating molar masses. I hope this video has been some help to you. Do have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Bye.